Today's video, I'm going to show you how to install mud flaps from a company called Rokblokz. Okay, it's a well-known company. They're huge in the off-road industry. Here's your mud flaps. Okay, that's how it looks when it comes. Nicely wrapped. They give you Smarties, so I guess once you done installing your mud flaps, you're a little bit smarter. These are the extra large versions. I have a negative offset which pushes my tire further out, so I went with the extra large version. Otherwise, if your tires are pretty much flush with your fenders, you could just get the standard version. Okay, that's what it looks like. Stamp for your model. 4 mounting points with a lot of adjustability, okay? So you can slide them in or outside. These are the two fronts, passenger, driver. Here's your rears. Boom, okay? Let me go to the truck, show you what we gotta do first. Here's a closer look at your hardware kit. Two red tabs are for the front fenders. You got your black washers, stainless steel hardware, okay? I'm gonna show you all this. All you're gonna need is a standard screwdriver, 8mm socket and ratchet, and that's all you're gonna need. Okay, I'm on the driver's side, rear wheel. We're gonna be using 1, 2, 3. These 3 screws you gotta take out, which would line up with 1, 2, and 3. Being that this is a 24 model, I'm not sure if they changed anything and maybe they had a different pattern over here because there's no screws to match over here. So we're gonna use 1, 2, and 3, 8mm. Pop these right out. Should be able to get these on without pulling the tire off, because the screws that they came in doesn't have a hex head on it. It's just a regular screw. So we'll see what we get up with. If anything, I'll use the old heads, the old screws, instead of these. Let's see how long we got here. I'm gonna match them up. These are the old ones, these are the new ones. Pretty much the same in length, so we're gonna go with the old ones so it'll be easier to mount them back up, okay? We're gonna use the spacer that's provided with the old screw, like so. We're gonna line them up. Start with the top one. Tighten them up all the way because I'm going to show you how you can adjust the inward and outward motion. See the motion. That's all the way out, all the way in. Okay. In my case, I'm running mine all the way in. All the way in pretty much makes it flush with my tire, so we're good to go. I'm gonna tighten it up, make sure it's nice and level. tighten it up the rest of the way. Remember, this is an 8mm bolt. Nothing super crazy tight. Never liked mud flaps, but these look good, boy. A little extra protection on the body. As you can see, all the road rash up there, mud, ice, salt getting kicked up. We're gonna prevent that as much as we can. Let me know what you think in the comments, what it looks, how it looks. Nice logo. You could get these mud flaps in any color you want. You could get the logos in any color you want. Got a white truck, gotta go with the white lettering. Forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, you're gonna need a trim removal tool to pop out this Christmas tree. You can see here how close this is to the tire. That's why I need such a thin mud flap like this, so it'll fit in there with no issues. Anything thicker than these Rokblokz, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna start rubbing. Okay, we'll take your plastic tool, come up behind your fitting like so. Usually you break these when they go in, no big deal. That's where the red parts come into place. So we're gonna work it around like so, get it in there, pry it right out. If it doesn't come out, you can go break this off, push it through, because it's open, see, it broke off. So we're gonna push this through all the way, and it's gonna fall right out on the floor. No biggie. Okay, it's out of the way. Okay, we're gonna take out 1, 2, and 3. Old hardware, like I said. We're gonna have to use one of the new screws that goes into this fit in here where the Christmas tree was. Okay. Now you got your new screw with your little nubbin. Okay, I'm gonna show you where this goes underneath the car. If you come over here, come from behind here, you could feel where that little nubbin was, and you could get behind this hole. You're gonna take your piece, this orientation, and you're gonna sandwich that little thin piece of metal right behind this hole right here. There you can see the piece installed behind it. Now you could take your screw that was provided, pop that right in there with your provided plastic washer, and now you got your 1, 2, 3, and 4 holes. Catch the first one in using the top screw. A modification on this one to cut this down so it doesn't hit the tire. We'll see when I get it on all the way. this out, put the cut straight down, and modify it so we get more room in there for the tire. Here's after I cut it off, sanded it so it's nice and smooth, keeping the same shape that it had originally. Gonna put it back in. Hopefully that should be more than enough. Like I said, it's freezing out here, so you might hear me sniffling, my nose running. It's part of life, okay? Trying to get this video out there for you, in case any of you wanted to add mud flaps to your Ram 1500 or any other car, because this company Rokblokz makes this mud flap for every car you can imagine. As you can see now, I got plenty of room here because it wasn't rubbing on this hub here. It's not going to rub on here. So we got that good look. We're going to check all this and all the spray that the tires kick up from the road rash, ice, salt, mud, you name it. Okay, we'll do the other side, show you when we're all done. Here's the piece that I cut off from the other side, so we're gonna line it up on this side, and we're gonna do the same exact cut. Okay, so it looks nice and even. First cut is just basically just to mark the line. You go a little deeper with each pass. Brand new razor is needed when you do this. Once you got the form, could go by freehand. Like I said, first one light, and you go a little deeper each time, so you're not skipping across and messing yourself up. Then you come in, bend it back a little bit, and go deeper and deeper until we get all the way through. There you have it. Get yourself about 150 grit sandpaper and just clean up your edges a little bit. Nothing crazy. You're just smoothing it out. You don't want no sharp edges. That's it. Nothing crazy. No sharp edges, okay? There you have it. We're gonna put this on the passenger side, show you when we're all done. This is Rokblokz mud flaps, 2024 Ram 1500. Questions, comments, leave them below. I get back to everyone. Hope that video helped you. If it did, please subscribe, spread the word, give me a thumbs up. Take care, fellas. Peace.